Kintsugi tutorial video Step 5 Finishing with gold powder. In this process, we use urushi, so please wear the rubber gloves. First, we polish the surface of black-urushi with water. Prepare a cup of water, whetstone, and tissue. Soaking the whetstone in water often. Polish the black-urushi and flatten the surface with whetstone. Then make Bengal red urushi. Drop an ample amount of raw urushi onto the palette more than it seems you will need to paint. Stir the raw urushi with a spatula until it becomes darker as the water consistency and volume is reduced. Takes about 5 minutes. And it became darker. Match the reduced volume of raw urushi with the same amount of Bengal red powder. Mix together with the spatula. This is the Bengal red urushi. Let's prepare for finishing with gold powder. Prepare A4 size paper to collect gold powder and open the bag of the gold powder. Prepare the cotton and leave it aside. Wipe the oil off well with tissue before you use the brush. Most important technique in Kintsugi is paint the Bengal urushi very lightly, but not so light that part of it fades. Paint on the polished black urushi. Bring back the seed, cotton, and the gold powder. Keep the paper bag open with weight. Apply the gold powder on the top of the cotton. Gently apply the gold powder with cotton. Do not apply directly on the top of the urushi, but instead gently brush the gold powder over the Bengal red urushi from the side to avoid getting the cotton stuck in the urushi. Apply the gold powder sufficiently without a gap and gently polish with it. The gold is shining. Keep the item in the urushi box for at least a day. When urushi is completely hardened, it's done. Collect extra powder on the plate or paper bag into the original bag. Please try our Kintsugi kit at home. It's now on sale. We are not perfect incorporated.